In this video, we'll show you the position of players in different zones. Setter and opposite hitter. Position in Zone 1 and they block in Zone 2. Some of the best setters. Bruno Rezende, Simon Gianelli, Luciano De Cecco, Said Marouf. Some of the best opposite hitters. Matt Anderson, Steven Boyer, Jean Patry, Ivan Zaitsev. After serve, the setter and the opposite hitter stand in Zone 1 and they block in Zone 2.
Bruno back to serve, just floats that one. Brazil lead.
Outside hitter. Position in Zone 6 and they block in Zone 4. Some of the best outside hitters. Terry DeFalco, Wilfredo Leon, Yarvin Ngapit, Ricardo Lucrelli Souza. After serve, they stand in Zone 6 and they block in Zone 4.
Inside the arena, 12-8. Ball in.
Middle blocker. Position in Zone 5 and they block in Zone 3. Some of the best middle blockers. Zaretsko Lizinov, Maxwell Holtz, Robert Landy Simon, Flavio Gualberto. After serve, they stand in Zone 5 and they block in Zone 3.
Matsev having a great season in Italy, rewarded with